stuff.
Who the fuck behind you?
Oh.
I got that's fake. Nah, that's
Like,
that shit look.
What the? No, he's a YouTuber.
Is that?
Hi.
Hey, it was good.
What the fuck?
What the fuck was that? Did you see that?
Nigga.
Hey, the boy in the middle look like Big 30. Bye.
I'm on a block with the strap, got a lot of guns. I put a fifth on the Tommy gun, crippin' the death door, see with the
GDs.
Yo, J and A. Yo, I like your chair.
Do it.
Nice chair.
It's fake anyway.
I I'm finna show my wiener. Who's behind me? Fuck!
Oh, shot.
What is this?
What the fuck?
Alright, enough of this clown shit. Time to show you my dick pic.
Yo. Is his mom behind him? Y'all don't think that was funny? Oh my god, where did he go?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
It's one of the. I've seen this shit all over TikTok. It's not even funnier anymore.
My eyes, blame it on the beach, grown men don't cry. I remember that deep basement couch, singing my love songs and you tell me about.
She looks animated.
Who is it? Ate my pussy.
Hold up. I'm scared. Hold up.
Ah! I scared my damn self.
You just finished fucking.
What the fuck? Unlucky.
I want to see what happens next.
Why does it low-key look?
Yeah, what's up?
I don't mind.
Look at this.
What the fuck? Olivia, come here right now. What the fuck?
She's trying to act like she's possessed.
No, Olivia.
Like you didn't.
Yo, we out here, man.
Hey, we doing the same shit too. Weird. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck is that, bro?
Nah, this this is a phone scammer.
Oh shit, it's the phone scammer. Hey, oh god, it's the phone scammer, bro.
Who's that behind you?
Crack.
Crack.
Fucking 200 boxed.
Hey, replay that, bro. Replay that. Hey, hold on. Wait.
No, she's not nice.
Hey, what's up?
Alright, where should I draw? Should I draw you? I'm gonna draw you.
Hey, y'all fuck with Fortnite? Watch this 200 pump to the head.
What the heck? Oh, it's that computer stuff they do on YouTube.
Yo.
Is that your mom behind you?
Who the fuck behind you? Yo. Yo. Oh shit.
Okay. What the fuck?
Oh yeah. Cliff, you just seen that?
Wait, why he look like he from a movie? Yo, say what like he from? Oh! What the?
That was a good movie. That was the third one, right?
Yeah, third one.
Oh my goodness, what the shit? No.
Oh! Oh! What's that?
Bro, who's behind you?
Oh, my mom.
Oh,
Skip
okay,
it,
so your
skip
mama's
it.
hot.
It wasn't even that scary, y'all. Calm down.
Oh my gosh.
It wasn't even that scary.
Wait, how did you do that?
What the fuck? Malia! Malia! Hold on. It started looking weird. And then watch. Watch.
Name.
Why is glitching?
Bro.
Nice glasses.
No, wait, skip alien.
No, why?
No, because that's a jump scare.
Hey. Who's behind you?
Look, no! Look! The thing alive! Look!
It was so Gabriella. I don't know what's funny.
The fuck?
What's up?
What's up?
Aaliyah?
Yes, sir.
Bet.
What? Oh! I don't know. I'm not doing no scary things.
It wasn't even that scary.
Yo, what up, white bitch? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Over.
Cracked!
Yo.
Savannah. Shh.
This is scary. Skip. Oh, man.
That's really scary. I've seen them. I've seen them. Wait, don't skip. Damn!
Yeah, you already know, boy. Don't play with me.
Damn!
Hold on.
Hold on, where are you?
I beat clicks in 1v1s, bro, any day of the week.
Where are you?
On rank or Unreal, whatever the fuck what's it called. Unreal, right? I don't really play rank like that. Every time I hit Unreal, I just stop.
What place?
Yo.
Yeah.
Is you in a black hole?
Nah, like the whole area is black as fuck, and it's just you popping out. Like,
Do you have like no lower half of your body?
nah, she got a black, she got a like shirt on or some shit. Like, but she look good though. Where you from?
California.
Cali. Damn.
That means,
like,
you got money and shit. I ain't gonna lie. You live in California.
Oh, you got money?
Move.
You got money?
Not enough.
Apparently you do for staying in
Damn,
California.
like you need to spoil me.
California be crazy.
I need a sugar mama. You try to be my sugar mama?
I need someone else because I ain't got it.
Oh, you don't got it? I said I could be a sugar daddy.
I doubt it.
I be tricking this shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's hard for me to like not spend my money on a woman. I'm not gonna lie. You like that tricking shit or nah? You don't fuck with it.
I mean,
I'm not really into it.
Yeah, I don't trick. Like, that's not the type of guy I am. I don't do that tricking shit. Fuck that. I don't fuck with that shit. Like, next topic. I don't fuck with that shit. Wait, so like, if I come to Cali, like, would you show me around and shit, bro? Like,
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Shit, where you taking me? Like, I wanna like explore and shit.
Oh yeah,
Jennifer.
it was Jennifer.
Jennifer was Jennifer type shit. Nah, I fuck with that name.
Thank you.
Like your eye contact. Like, are those your real eyes?
Mm-hmm.
What color are they?
On my driver's license it says hazel, but I got something. It's a condition. One of my eyes are split.
That ass? That's fire. Like, if I'm heading in front of like missionary, like I'm gonna just stare into your eyes the whole time. Real shit.
Hey, that was a bold ass statement. I fuck with that shit.
Nah, cause like it's facts though. It's facts though. She has pretty eyes. Face card is there. Like, why would you not? Why would you not want to? Like, it's just like out of this world. Like, real shit. I ain't gonna lie, Jennifer. Like, I'm gonna need your IG or something. Like, we need to tap in. Yeah, what's your shit? Like, what's your say your shit? I'm gonna type it in.